Where have I been? Where have I been? I posted a video recently sketching. Someone asked if I was still in the industry working. I actually have not been working in the industry. I've been doing teaching mostly ever since the launch of Med's Map. Back then, the most notable opportunity I had that I had to turn down for, I think, what became What If, which is funny because what if I did take that job? I wouldn't have made these courses and learned what I learned. And I can't wait to share it with you. It's why I'm coming back. It's like, why are you coming back to you? Because I have this stuff that I discovered all these years. But anyway, yeah, so I didn't take that. And then more recently, the only GTA I've played was 3 back for PlayStation 2. So, but it would have been fun. They needed someone for their art team to lead I think the illustration department. And it would have been fun, but I would have had to move to New York, but also drop this project that I'm doing here on my own. And once again, I'm turning down a really great opportunity because I'm having more fun here. Anyway, I have way less hair now. I guess the main change here is that I switched to pencil when it comes to art, more so than digital. I figured if I don't need to do digital, I naturally didn't find myself doing it. I just preferred pencil on paper. So that's been pretty fun. The main focus of what I want to dive into soon is kind of like, you've seen my sketchbook course. You've seen my sketchbook videos. And a lot of people are like, well, you're going to do a sketching course. Can you teach us how to do what you do with the pencil? And so that's kind of what this is going to be, but focused on composition. So I'll be talking about shading and form and depth and whatnot, but centered around composition in a way that has been helpful for me. And it's something that I've been kind of chasing for a long time because I'm not very, maybe I got lucky with some compositions in the past, but I didn't have a deep understanding of how to build a composition. I kind of just winged it, and which is fine. That's completely fine. But I put on some training wheels, so to speak, and I guess it's blah, blah, blah. I just developed a new process that works for me. So if it's easy for me, it's going to be easy for you. That's what yeah. Okay. It'll be covering composition, grids. You've seen the thirds, you've seen the golden ratio stuff, but we're going to go more just to the point, simple stuff. Because you don't need, we'll talk about it, but like when you see the process, you'll see what I'm talking about. Heavy on shape design and, of course, sketching techniques. Because I didn't want to go from the first course to just do another painting course, especially since I didn't really have a grip on what I thought I wanted to teach at the time. And I think I went on a very wild chase to try to understand composition. And so I think it's best taught with pencil and line and shading and form. But, once the trailer is out for it, you'll see for yourself if you don't want to partake in it. Obviously, you don't have to. The first lesson is going to be free. I figure the first lesson is like the skill cap. If you can't do that one, the basic spheres kind of thing, then you probably definitely shouldn't waste your money on my course. So, but that's later to come. But that's it's right behind me. It's right there. It's behind me. Well, it's not behind me yet. Once I post it, it'll be behind me. It's right there. And I got little magnets with my bird on it. Anyway, I don't have much to say. I felt super awkward coming back onto the camera. I'm like, oh, I look like that? Since this used to be black. I used to wear a red hat. What's going on? So, anyway. Blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, if all goes well, which it will, obviously, with the drawing situation, Hopefully you're enjoying the drawing you're seeing on the screen now. And that would be phase 1. Phase 2, after that, maybe dive back into painting, whether it's digital or oil or acrylic. Because, I'm dancing the fine line of like, how is this relevant to people who want to have a career out of this stuff? And to answer that question for the current course, I'm very much trying to tie that into storytelling. So by the end of the sketching composition lessons, there's going to be final projects, whether it's key scenes for cinematic illustration or, viz dev kind of stuff, comic books, graphic design, graphic novels is what I meant to say. We'll be talking about story beats, framing, how to make your character be presented in a way that feels most dramatic based off of our lessons. So yeah, I don't know what I'm just trying to like cram everything I want to say into one. It's been forever. Let's just let this be this 555 on the clock. Let's just let this be this, it's a llama. I got a llama. A re-entry. It's like I left planet Earth, and now my spaceship Ahmed is like getting back into the atmosphere. It's like, oh, I remember this place. I remember. Oh, humans. Anyway, that's all I got. Welcome back, me-ish. Watch, I'll disappear in 2 weeks.